Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my ChatGPT, GPT Cruncher, and what it does, what is the use case of this? This is simple. You just upload the PDF file and ask the question that you are interested in, you want to know about contents of this PDF. Currently we have two models, Cohere and ChatGPT. You know about ChatGPT? Let me a little bit talk about Cohere. Cohere provides access to advanced LLM and NLP tools through API, and they also provide multiple models: chat, generate, embed, re-rank, classify, summarize, tokenize, detokenize, or connectors. And connectors means web search. And here we have an upload file. Click on it and select your PDF. Let's select this and click on the proceed. It will proceed and send a notification: file uploaded successfully or file upload failed. And now you may ask your interested question. Let's ask about legacy systems. Could you tell me about legacy systems in a short? Send it. Oops, you don't select the model. Make sure you select the model. Let's select the Cohere. Click. Let's wait a little bit and we are good to go. We have an answer. Legacy systems are outdated computer systems. Let's go over PDF. Yep, here. Legacy systems are older generation systems that are incompatible with current generation standards and systems but still in production use. It has the same meaning in different words. Now let's dive into code. We have a backend and frontend. And the backend, I have used the Fast API, Python framework, which is really easy and straightforward. Import the Fast API, the app, set up the course, and then we have there one endpoint for upload files, one endpoint for Cohere, LLM, and one endpoint for ChatGPT. Let's talk about upload endpoint. It simply gets PDF file and saves it as a temporary file here. Really simple. And then we have a Cohere LLM endpoint. It gets the query, it's our question, and sends it to generate prompt function with arguments, query, and temp file path. It's our PDF file. Let's open the up function. Here, firstly import all of them and then set up the Cohere API key, wrap this into try catch. I load PDF file with PyMu PDF loader and split it into chunks because PDF file may hundreds of pages or more than hundreds of pages, and then embed, and here it makes a vector, passes the text, that is our document, and here it runs with passing our query. And we are checking if its answer is empty, just return empty text, and otherwise return the answer. Okay, well done. With ChatGPT is the same scenario. Import all the library, make a function, pass the query and file path. Don't forget put your open API key. We load the PDF, split into chunks, but here we use OpenAI embeddings and OpenAI from documents. That gets the text, it's our PDF, that's split into chunks, and OpenAI embeddings. Okay, here we pass the query, we get the answer, strip the answer, and return it. Pretty straightforward. And here we run the app using unicorn.run, pass the app and port number. This is the backend part. And now let's talk about the frontend. We have an app here, initialize all the states, input, chat items, this, set the state, is it loading or not, also selected file, is file selected or not, selected option, model, check the file processed or not, notification. Here we have two endpoints, first for Cohere LLM and second for ChatGPT LLM. Here is our notification, show notification, hide notification, handle drop-down change, which is responsible for model selection. We have a handle file change, which is responsible for uploading the files here. We have a handle proceed. When you click on the proceed, calls this function, sets the loading to true, and sends the file to upload endpoint to proceed. We got a response and check. If it's okay, we show the notification with severity success and message file uploaded successfully. Otherwise, error uploading the file. We show the notification with error severity and message error uploading the file. We finally set the loading to false, process it to true. And here function for completion. simply gets the query and sends to point based on the LLM we choose it here. If we choose it Cohere, it sends to Chat Cohere endpoint. Otherwise, it sends to ChatGPT endpoint. So it gets the query, sends it, gets the response, and sets to chat state. And then we have a use effect and handle submit. When you click on a submit here, it calls the set chat items, passes all the old chats here, adds the new chats, our input, and is answer false because we are asking the question. This is a chat item. If is answer, it will start from justify to start. If it's a question, it's justify and here from the right side, from the left side. To create chatting experience, here we have a notification snack bar. Here we paste our chat items. Here we have a form, text area, and button. And button is disabled while it's loading, or input is empty, or it's proceeding the file. Here we have a navigation bar, this model selection, Cohere or ChatGPT, and then we have a here file upload. Just simple input with type file and paste the function. Handle find change will update our selected file. If it's true, it simply shows the file name. Proceeded or proceed depends on the proceeded. It's a really simple interface. To run the backend, you should go to backend folder, cd backend, and from here install all the requirements by typing pip install -r requirements and run the app using Python 3 api.py. Hit enter, it runs the app on localhost. Just click try it out. To run the front end, enter npm install and install the packages and then npm start. It will start the application. This is the end of tutorial. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe.